Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a loud mic pack on Discord. A loud mic pack usually means making your microphone sound louder and more powerful using proper settings. Discord itself does not provide mic packs or advanced audio effects, so this cannot be done directly inside Discord alone. First, open Discord, click the gear icon, and go to User Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Voice and Video. From here, scroll down until you find the option called Voice Processing. Make sure echo cancellation is turned off, noise suppression is set to none, and automatic gain control is toggled off. These features are useful for clarity, but they can lower how loud your mic sounds. After turning them off, test your mic again in a voice channel. If Discord is already maxed out and your mic is still quiet, boost the microphone volume in Windows by right-clicking on your speakers. Click on Sound Settings and make sure the input volume slider is set to maximum. After adjusting both Discord and Windows settings, rejoin a voice channel and test your microphone again. Make small adjustments if needed to avoid distortion or background noise. We learned how to increase microphone loudness by adjusting Discord voice settings, disabling mic filters, and boosting microphone volume in Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.